Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to find that your investments have grown overnight, without you having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with the right approach, it's definitely possible. We all know that the world is going through inflation and other economic problems. And in these hard times, if you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, you're in the right place. Today in this video, we're going to share with you some 5 potential side hustles that can help you earn flowing passive income. Whether you are saving for a vacation or just want to have a little more financial security, having a side hustle can be a game changer. We know that finding right side hustle can be overwhelming with so many options out there. That's why we have done some research for you and narrowed it down to top 5 picks. Before we dive into the details, I want you to subscribe to my channel Invest Addict and press the bell icon as well so that you never miss out on our very important financial updates, as any of them can make you rich. So let's get started. The first side hustle on our list is investing in stocks or real estate. Investing in stocks or real estate is a great way to earn passive income. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Choose your investment type. Decide whether you want to invest in stocks or real estate. Both options can provide you with passive income, but they have different requirements and risks. Let's start with stocks. Did you know that stock market has historically provided an average annual return of around 10%? That's much higher than that you would get from a savings account or a fixed deposit. By investing in stocks, you can earn passive income through dividends, which are payments made by companies to their shareholders. You can also earn income through capital gains, which is the profit you make when you sell your stocks for a higher price than what you bought them for. Step 2. Research and choose your stocks. Before investing, it's important to do your research and choose stocks that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. You can start by analyzing the company's financials, industry trends, and stock performance. You can also seek the advice of a financial advisor or use online tools to help you make informed decisions. Step 3. Invest your money. Once you have chosen your stocks, it's time to invest your money. You can do this through a brokerage account or a robo-advisor platform. Make sure to monitor your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as needed. Step 4. Monitor your investment. Keep an eye on how your investment is doing and make adjustments as needed. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you navigate the market. Step 5. Reinvest your dividends. One of the keys to earning passive income through stocks is reinvesting your dividends. This means using the dividend payments to buy more shares of the same company, which can increase your future dividend payments. The second side hustle on our list is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks, or a type of stock that pays out a portion of the company's earnings to its shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. This makes dividend stocks a popular source of passive income for investors, as they can earn regular payments without having to sell their stocks. Dividend payments can vary depending on the company's performance and the number of shares held by the investor, but they can provide a stable stream of income over time. Additionally, many investors choose to reinvest their dividend payments back into the same stock, allowing them to compound their earnings and potentially increase their overall returns. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Research your dividend stocks. Look for companies that have a history of paying dividends and have a strong financial standing. Step 2. Choose your stocks. Decide which dividend stocks you want to invest in based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 3. Invest your money. You can do this through a brokerage account or buying dividend stocks directly from the company. Step 4. Reinvest your dividends. Rather than taking the cash payouts, consider reinvesting your dividends to earn even more passive income over time. Are you looking for a side hustle that requires minimal investment but offers the potential for significant earnings? Look no further than affiliate marketing. As the third side hustle on our list, affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. All you need is an online platform, such as a blog or social media account, and a willingness to promote products to your audience. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of passive income and the opportunity to earn online. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Find a product or service to promote. Look for products that align with your niche and have an affiliate program. Step 2. Sign up for the affiliate program. Once you have found a product, sign up for their affiliate program to start earning commissions. Step 3. Promote the product. Share your affiliate link on your blog, social media, or other channels to promote the product. Step 4. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The fourth side hustle on our list is starting a blog or creating digital products. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to explore new avenues for earning extra income? Look no further than starting a blog or creating digital products. With the world becoming increasingly digital, there has never been a better time to dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. Whether you want to share your passion for a particular topic or create a digital product that solves a problem, the possibilities are endless. So, here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Decide on a specific topic that you are passionate about and want to create content around. This could be anything from cooking to fitness to personal finance. Step 2. Determine your target audience. Who is your content or product going to be for? Define your ideal customer or reader and tailor your content towards their interests and needs. Step 3. Decide on a platform. Choose a blogging platform such as WordPress or Squarespace to create your website, or decide on the software you will need to create your digital products. Step 4. Create valuable content. Whether these are blog posts, ebooks, or online courses, create content that's informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Step 5. Promote your content using social media, email marketing, and other channels to promote your content and drive traffic to your website. Step 6. Monetize your blog or digital products. There are various ways to monetize your content, including advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own digital products. Step 7. Continue to grow and evolve. As your audience grows and changes, continue to adapt and create content that resonates with them. Keep learning and evolving as an entrepreneur to build a successful online business. The fifth side hustle on our list is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel has become one of the most popular side hustles in recent years. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube offers creators a massive audience to reach and monetize their content. Here are the steps to get started. Step 1. Find your niche. Decide on a specific topic that you want to create content around, such as cooking, fitness, or beauty. Step 2. Set up your channel. Create a YouTube channel and customize it with branding, a logo, and other graphics. Step 3. Plan and create your content. Plan your videos and start creating content that's informative, entertaining, and valuable to your audience. Step 4. Optimize your videos. Use keywords and tags to optimize your videos for search engines and improve visibility. Step 5. Build your audience. Promote your channel through social media, collaborations, and other channels to build your audience and increase views. Step 6. Monetize your content. Once your channel has grown, You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Starting a YouTube channel requires a lot of effort and dedication, but it can be a lucrative side hustle for those willing to put in the work. With the right niche and a commitment to creating quality content, you can turn your YouTube channel into a source of passive income. And there you have it, 5 side hustles to help you earn passive income. Remember, building up passive income takes time and effort, but the payoff can be well worth it in the end. So choose a side hustle that aligns with your interests and financial goals and get started today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any other ideas for side hustles or tips for earning passive income, let us know in the comments below. See you next time.